Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Road Zone Review. Today, we're taking a look at what could be BMW's wildest creation yet, the 2026 BMW M4 GTR. This isn't just a souped-up M4, it's a full-on track predator stamped with motorsport DNA. First, the styling. From its slimmed-down wide body to its massively adjustable rear wing, the BMW M4 GTR looks like it flew straight off the Nürburgring. Carbon fiber panels cover the hood, roof, splitter, diffuser, even the doors to reduce weight and increase downforce. The front end is razor sharp, with massive air intakes designed to keep this beast of an engine cool under extreme conditions. Speaking of power, BMW has finally spilled the beans. Under the hood sits an improved S58 twin-turbo inline-six pushing north of 600 horsepower. You get rear-wheel drive with a choice of a lightning-quick 8-speed auto, or if you're really old school, a track-ready 6-speed manual. Expect a 0 to 60 time in the low 3-second range. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed. The M division has re-engineered the suspension with fully adjustable coilovers and a wider track. Lightweight forged wheels shod in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 rubber and massive carbon ceramic brakes mean it'll cling to the top with great grip. Inside, it's all business. The rear seats are gone, replaced by a structural roll cage and cross brace. Up front, you'll find carbon fiber bucket seats with racing harnesses, Alcantara trim, and a stripped-back digital dash that tells you exactly what you need to know. No distractions, just pure focus. Who's it for? Forget the daily commute. This machine is built for weekend warriors, track day enthusiasts, and collectors who crave the thrill of a race car with road entry. With a sticker price of over $150,000 and production numbers intentionally low, these will fly by as soon as they arrive. So what do you think? Would you choose the M4 GTR over the Porsche 911 GT3 or the AMG GT Black Series? Is this BMW's final roar for the internal combustion era? Leave your thoughts in the comments, hit the like button if you're new here, subscribe to Road Zone Reviews, and ring the bell for more adrenaline-filled car content. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching for my video.